This video is going to talk about the desktop version features of fractions, angles, lengths, and vertices. If you were to add a shape, and let's just add this four-sided shape, we'll make it yellow, and you draw it, when you go back to the arrow, which is the select tool, you can click on the shape and it gives you some options. For example, I can show or hide the vertices, which are the little red dots. I can also hide or show the interior angles. Right now they're 90 degrees. And if I have the vertices on here, I can actually click on the vertice and I can drag the shape in different kind of directions. So if I wanted to make a different four-sided shape, now my angles are not 90 degrees anymore. They've automatically changed to the correct one, the correct angle. So let's do this, and we're going to also, let's show you how to change the side lengths. So right now it shows you 7.1, 7.1, this one's 6 at the bottom, this one's 4 and 8/10. If I double click inside one of those boxes, and let's just say I want to make this side 10, but I want it to automatically change in proportion all the other sides. I could type 10 and push enter, and then it should change the, oh, yep, when I click off to the side, it changed the different sizes of those. I'm going to go ahead and show you one last thing, and let's just use a circle this time, and let's do a purple, no, let's do a blue circle. I'm going to draw the circle, and again, use the select tool, go to the pull down menu, and this time I'm dividing the shape. And maybe I want to divide the shape up into fifths. So I want 5 equal parts. And you can show the fraction or not. I'm going to go ahead and keep it checked. And when I click OK, now the shape is turned into 5 equal pieces. And what's cool about this is now you can actually drag those apart, and you can have discussions with your students about the different fractions in this way. And that is our video on fractions, angles, lengths, and vertices.